Nakatulog siya ng, thank you, mahaba. Tapos mag-swimming na kami. Kasi may adult park dito na bawal ang bata. So, doon kami pupunta ni Ronnie habang tulog si Alex. Prep lang ako ng McManus ko. Bawi-bawi tayo sa vlog, no? Nagamit pa rin ako ng vitamin C retinol kahit nasa mainit ako. Kasi nabasa ko na you should stop. Even though nainitan ka, basta lagi kang magsa-sunscreen. Ito yung gamit ko. Meron akong gamit sa bahay, yung Aquas Chenes. Ko siya gusto kasi nagpipil siya sa mukha ko. Ito hindi siya nagpipil. Pag nagme-makeup ako, nakikita ko na, Papa, aren't you gonna put sunscreen? Nagpipil siya, nagbabakbak. Ano yun? Kalimutan mo pangalan. Pero medyo popular siya. Here. Ito talaga yung nag-work sa akin. No? Bongga, wala siyang peeling. Wow, I'm so brown. Ito, a little bit. So guys, paglabas, nandun yung room namin. Yan. Paglabas mo, ito na yung malapit lang sa amin. Tapos nasa 4th floor kami. Tapos ito yung view. I'm so into you. Hi, Papa. You look like I really want to go home. I don't want to go.
I like Turkey.
Not Turkey, I like our hotel.
Yeah, tell us.
Yeah, I could just stay here. I don't have to go anywhere.
That's what we should have done.
Cut. Yeah.
I think you're gonna go crazy if we stay here 7 days. Ito guys yung entrance. Pagpasok mo, ayan, may lounge sila dito. May bar din doon. Papa, we should go here. We haven't been here. You know, it's nice in here. Sa gabi may live band sila dito. Tapos ito terrace, pwede ka magkape sa labas. Ayan yung view. Super cozy. It's nice in here. Push. Ta-da! Oh, she's up in the roof. Ito yung indoor pool. Nandyan kami minsan kasi nga mainit. And meron din silang lounge dito para look, it's so nice in here. It's cozy. Tapos ayan ang view mo. Wow. Ito na yung pang-adult. Nandun kami sa taas yung room namin. I bet it's nice in here in the night. Wait, I wanna go in there. I bet it's nice to sit here in the night and have a drink. Right?
You give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then I said my name.
Bawal din.
patient. Now the colors on my room are
Are we gonna put
changing.
towels
Oh
here as well?
God, this feels amazing. Starting now.
Yeah, sure.
with
We're not
you,
staying
and
now.
I don't
Ito guys yung
mind. Give me
pang-adult lang.
butterflies when you smile, and it feels so
Why did you even open this? Not
just
fun.
can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of a kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? I hope you hit me back, 'cause I can't wait to see you. Everything's a vibe.
Yeah. Ito yung spot namin guys dito kasi under the tree siya. So wala siyang araw the whole day. Kaya tapos ito na yung pambatang pool. Nandun kami sa kabila sa adult pool kanina. But then kasi bawal si Alexandra dun. So dito kami. You can open this one too. Pupuntahan na namin si Alex ngayon kasi alas 10 na, tulog pa siya. Kakain na kami ng lunch, guys. Ito pala yung hair. Hi! Gising na si Alex. Ito yung paggawa ng buhok dyan. Dapat ako magpapa-extension. Pero sa bahay na lang. I mean, doon sa kaibigan ko na lang. Nasa CR si Ronnie nagpapalit. Kasi basa siya. Eh, bawal naka-swimsuit dun. Ako nag-t-shirt lang ako, tsaka short. Yes. Pagkakain namin, try namin magpahinga. Kasi nga, madaling araw yung flight namin. So, pakita ko pala sa inyo yung yung cafe. Ito yung cafe. Diyan ako kukuha mamaya na merienda. Ito. Libre yan. Hindi libre. Included yan lahat. Yan. Yan yung cafe. Tapos nandito yung lunch doon. So we still have one pa lang. One ng hapon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. May 5 hours pa kami to check out. Let's go! What's for lunch today? Meron din silang picture taking. Pero of course, mababayad ka. Tuwing gabi, dinner, nag-aabang sila dito sa may entrance ng buffet para picturean ka, remembrance. But of course, you have to pay for it. Halika, kain mo tayo! Shall we go down now?
Yeah.
Yeah, nagre-ready na kami, guys. Pack na lahat. Mababa kami kasi kukuha ako ng tinapay para madala namin sa madala namin sa aeroplano in case magutom kami. Kasi kakain na kami ng dinner ngayon. In 30 minutes. Maybe in an hour. Ready ko na naman lahat. Ready na. Ready na everything and everything. Si Alex nagpapansya ng buhok. Yeah. We'll fix it later. Let's go down. Let's go down. Ayan. Diyan ka muna. Yeah. Ito yung outfit ko. Binili ko sa Changi. Do you need help? Tulog kami. Did you sleep long?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
Huh?
Think so.
I don't think I sleep long. Try kami natulog. Kasi puyatan levels ito mamaya. I hope they have croissant. I would like to have croissant. Nantay lang namin si Alex. Ipa-plancha lang mo. You can continue later. We're just gonna go get the bread. If you want. Let's go. How do I look? Let's go.
You can leave it on. It's not so warm, right?
I turned it off. I need shoes. Ay, shit. Ang init. Ang init. Ooh, init. It's warm. Pampirap. Pampirap. So, nandito na kami, guys. Ito ang aming mga ayuda na nakuha. Ayuda. Ayan. Alex loves macaroons. So, puro macaroons yung kanyang kinuha.
Why do you say sorry? She loves macaroons.
Because I thought it's a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos kumuha ko ng croissant. Croissant daw ito.
You wanna bring this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
There's no way of closing it.
I will use I will take that. And sandwiches. What's in? It's tuna, Papa.
Okay.
You like tuna?
I don't know.
Tapos tuna, tagi-tagisa lang kami na sandwich. Ilalagay ko siya dito. I'm gonna put it here. I'm not gonna put it. It takes so much space. Para kasi ilalagay namin siya sa hand carry. In case na magutom. Easy access. I'm actually hungry. Are you guys hungry? It's funny, they don't question you. Are you taking it with you? You still live here or you're already checked out? Tapos kumuha ko ng isang iced coffee. Hindi siya masarap.
This one?
Yeah. You still need this?
Yes.
Mga baon namin natirang Doritos, chewing gum, KitKat, at saka yung goodies ni Ronnie. Ayan po mga baon. Ayan. So that's why I'm missing one. I said I needed one of the bag.
Can I put on?
Yeah, you can. It's not close yet. So this is our jackets, blankets, Papa. Remember?
Okay.
Jackets, blankets. And this is the food. Wait. Ano? Okay, are we ready? Alex, what's happening? Let's go. This is so good. It looks like sweet, but it's not. There's caramel under. It really is marshmallow, but it's not sweet. Even the chocolate, it's dark chocolate. Yeah. Good. Ako, itong red velvet, ito lang yung kinakain kong dessert dito. Ang sarap. Hindi siya red. Purple. Purple velvet. Ang dami ko nakain. Ang dami kong gutok. Wow, we are on perfect time. It's 19. We only have 30 minutes. We have time to go to the bathroom.
Wait, a bathroom would take 30 minutes?
No. Tuesday today, dumating kami ng Sunday morning, alas 5 ng umaga. Very good naman. Ayan na, ang gusto ko na. Kasi ito yung na kami sa bahay, guys. Actually, kanina pa.